Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry I haven't uploaded in literally years. It's been actually years. Wednesday. We haven't had school all week because... Why, Kylie? You can talk. You don't have to be silent. Because it's snowing. You can hear that. I need to be careful. Oh my god, this camera up there is scaring me. I literally can't see. I can't. Oh Jesus. Okay. Sorry about that,
ruckus.
That ruckus. Oh Jesus. I'm gonna break this f***ing camera. It's a little excessive. I'm waiting for my phone to turn on so I can listen to some dope jams. This is scary. Jesus. Okay, you know what? I'll see you when I get to Chick-fil-A. Bye. So I'm going to my friend Yvonne's house later. Ew, there's dog hair on my camera. Oops. That's not good. 1 second. Ew, there's like on my camera now. Yeah. I don't know what to do, like. Anyways, I'll see you later. Okay, so I look like less of a homeless person now. Oh, I forgot to set my face. Okay, so I'll just give you a little tour of this look. My rose water is white. Ew. Okay, so I'll give you a little tour. My camera isn't focusing. So, highlight brought to you by Fenty. It's, hair. I tried to do the little like Ariana Grande, like make a hair tie out of your own hair look. Whatever. Okay, so I'll just show you my outfit, I guess. So, we have this denim jacket. I know, denim on denim, it's like a risky look. Suddenly I'm a fashion icon. Oh wait, I have these really, hold on. I have these really cute earrings. They're hearts and they're from Topshop. Okay, so I have this, it's a sweater from PacSun. I got this jacket, this like fur denim jacket, in Japan. These are Urban Outfitters jeans. So anyways, I'm about to head over to Tavon's. Let me film.
Oh, why are you pulling off?
Boy, if you don't hurry up. So,
got a whole fit on.
Oh shoot. I know. We're taking pictures. Change plan. So hey vlog, this is one of my besties, Tavon. You'll be seeing a lot of him on my channel. So wait, I don't know how to get home.
Do you think we're gonna have school tomorrow?
No. I truly don't think we're gonna have school tomorrow. If we probably will have a 2-hour delay, actually. What do you think? Cause like, how bus is supposed to get into this?
Please follow the road for 1,000
Okay, so
feet.
you can hold my camera for me. We're doing a car vlog. I've already recorded a lot, so you can see. These roads are treacherous. Treacherous. I mean, they really are.
These roads are trash.
These roads are treacherous. Hurry up, because some guys keep walking by my car and it's scaring me.
You think you're in the hood?
No.
They're gonna rob you.
Well. I think we're gonna take pictures later, so during the photo. Oh my god, is my battery really dead? And so don't. Oh my god, the battery. Oh my god, the battery.